Malawi is one of the countries in southern Africa which is facing the problem of deforestation. In a world where nature's beauty often faces a harsh reality of deforestation, a resounding call for action echoed across the mountains and valleys. Sky Energy Africa not only heard that call but answered it with unwavering determination and a steadfast commitment to change. Embarking on a transformative journey, we set out to breathe life back into the land that had been scarred by deforestation. Armed with our dedication, we faced the challenges head-on, recognizing the urgent need for environmental rejuvenation. With every tree planted, a profound sense of hope took root, and resilience blossomed amidst the adversities. Each sapling became a symbol of regeneration, a promise to restore and protect the delicate balance of nature. Together, hand in hand with local communities, we planted 2,000 trees, creating a vibrant tapestry of greenery that transformed devastation into renewal.
Kupanda mitengo, kupanda chilengedwe ichi chitosefe sitingakhale. Ndeti kamadula mtengo ndizizwa kuti tikuzipha tokha komanso tikuononga tsogolo la ana amene akubwera kusogolo. Tikumvana.
This act not only contributes to the power of collective action in the pursuit of a greener and more sustainable future, but our commitment doesn't end here. It's a continuous journey, a pledge to nurture and safeguard the environment for generations to come. As we look back at the 2,000 trees we've planted, we see not just a forest, but a living legacy of hope, resilience, and the positive change that comes when we unite for a common purpose. Together, let's continue sowing the seeds of a brighter, greener tomorrow. With each tree standing tall, we forge ahead, fueled by the belief that our collective efforts today will pave the way for a flourishing and sustainable legacy for generations yet to come.
Sky Energies amene achita china chilichonse kuti mwambo umene ukhale choncho, atulusa khobiri lawo ndi kupanga china chilichonse kupeza mbande zimenezi kuti zibwere kuno.